2017 S63 coupe. Sweet ass ride, guys. Got the stock mufflers in the back, got the factory tips in the bezels. It's in the bumper. We don't touch those. We're just gonna make this thing a little bit louder. It's a luxury vehicle. You don't want too much noise. Chop off the resonators right here. We got 2 AMG resonators. We'll pop some 3-inch pipe in there. Basically just amplify the sound a little bit more. This car does have a factory tune on it. It's gonna spit, guys. Wait till you hear the pops and bangs out of the S63 coupe. I also have an S63. It's a 4-door sedan called a super saloon. I don't know if you guys know what that means. It's a Europe thing. But for the most part, this thing is a little bit more aggressive. My car does not come with factory resonators. This one does. I guess the coupe needs to be a little bit quieter. Some weird dome effect for droning. But yeah, we're chopping those babies off. Wait till you hear this thing. It's gonna sound insane, guys. Got the peanut butter guts. Got the piano key black. I love this spec, guys. Got the suede headliner. This is a convertible. So, you know, you could drop the top on this baby. You can see this dashboard. It's a straight cockpit in here. Peanut butter everywhere. Suede. Got the piano black. Piano keys on the dash. This thing's a great looking car, man. The spec on this thing was done right. It's got the high-end Burmeister sound system. You can see the tweeters. You got Burmeister here. Burmeister in the back. There's a speaker in the back seat. That's pretty sick. Look right here, bro. Sick, right? That's awesome. Usually, so my car has a high-end Burmeister as well. The speaker's usually mounted on the roof, but like I said, hardtop are convertible, so no speakers on the roof. But so they throw random speakers everywhere else. The Burmeister is a pretty sweet setup if you like music. If you don't like music, you're probably a loser anyways. But for the most part, this thing's pimp. AMG S63 2017. Got the peanut butter. Got the black piano key interior. You got everything you need out of this thing. It's a spacious spaceship. All right? Spacious spaceship, guys. So let us know what you guys think. You guys like the peanut butter, or you want the jelly interior? Or straight black? I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with this thing. Got the S63 all set. Got the S coupe, pretty sick. Got the 63 badging, AM jizzle. Sounds great, guys. Resonator delete, S63 coupe. Give me some revs. Let me hear this thing. Outrageous. Pops and bangs guaranteed, guys. Like I said, S63, Resonator delete. Don't have to buy a full system. Just come to G Exhaust Davie, G Exhaust Oakland. We got you on the exhaust upgrades, guys.